Okay, so I'm just going to come right out and say it. I can't remember a time, in my short life anyway, where trust in the media, government, public institutions, and private corporations has eroded to such a degree that some people wonder if this is the end of the world. Spoiler alert, I went there and came back. This isn't it. Okay, so I don't know the end, but I do know this. That same lack of trust is your opportunity to show up like never before. Here's how. Back in the 1980s, there was a mail order guy who coined the term quick and easy love and money. It was the watchword for how you should sell. You know, we laughed at that until we tried it, and it does work. For the one selling it. It doesn't work for the one using it. Oh, Steve, no one believes that anymore. Actually, almost everyone sells like that today, and you can't really blame them. It gets results, like a vulture chewing up a deer on the side of the highway. And you know what? No matter how dumbed down you make your marketing, you'll find an expert telling you to make it dumber. Make it easy. Make it sound like candy or beer. And nowhere has this ethic, and I use the term loosely, been more assiduously applied. Ooh, a 5-syllable word. Mea culpa. Ooh, Latin. My bad. Than in global brands. They're so everywhere, their motto should be big and lazy love and money. Anyone who wants to compete on their playing field will hear something like this.
The distributors that control this space get paid very well by the big brands. They get paid to crush cockroaches like you.
And it makes sense. What credit card could fund a video like this? Or this? Or this?
It's, Liam. You will regret the day you crossed Angry Eastern 52.
Or this? Fortunately, people with problems don't necessarily look for the company with the best known celebrity. And in an era where cynicism has replaced goodwill, the human need for connection has never been greater. The physical symptoms of loneliness and isolation are showing up in hospitals all over the world. But people still don't like being taken advantage of, so they'll extend their trust only to those they've tested and found trustworthy. The thing is, not only is this a ridiculously simple way to stand out, never in history have we had such amazing tools to help you show up like no other. So the biggest mistake one could possibly make is to use a version of the same value proposition as the big lazy brands. If you sell fish hooks on Amazon and Amazon decides to launch their own brand of fish hooks, you could end up with a garage full of dangerously sharp objects at a time when you're feeling more than a little depressed. Oh, okay, Steve, fine. Do you have any advice that can actually help me? Well, I don't know you all that well, but maybe don't use their marketing language. Don't say things like low prices, best quality, fastest service, nicest receptionist.
It isn't due to any issues with their service.
Okay, maybe nicest receptionist. To stand out against the big brands, all you need is one relevant thing, and that thing will look like a mountain peak compared to the anthill of the celebrity soap corporation that floods your inbox with spam. Oh, right, so I guess don't send spam or do robocalls. The smiling faces of your happy clients could do more for your insurance company than any animated livestock. If you're a legal consultant, the biggest firms in the world wouldn't stand a chance against your deep expertise in the one branch another firm wants to add to their suite of services. You just have to demonstrate a singular focus. Small can be beautiful, small can be exclusive, boutique, premium. It has built-in scarcity. There's only one of you, unless you're trying to be someone else. And don't we have enough of those already? Okay, I'll start. Today, I'm announcing a no mask policy on Air Steve. I can only take one passenger, but still. So what could you do to earn more trust? One really simple thing would be to make some videos on a regular basis. Know why? And with apologies to Dr. Seuss, it's a promise made and a promise kept with thousands of someones you haven't even met. It's easy. Okay, it's simple. Demonstrate your one thing over and over and don't use the language or tactics of the big lazy brands. What nicer way to begin earning trust in this emerging world? If you'd like some guidance on making videos that do this, download the script writing bundle with my compliments. To sum it all up, we don't have a choice of the time we live in. We do have a choice in how we live it. And that is the way of the visible authority.